Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we have a new handbag unboxing. So I just received this handbag this past week and it is by the brand Ateliers August or August. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. Please correct me if you know the right way to say it, but I am not new to this brand, so I do have a handbag from them that I got back in November of last year. And to preface this, I was sent both of these handbags by Ateliers August, and I do want to mention that I am very intentional with the brands that I work with. I am a small YouTuber, but I do get a number of brands daily messaging me if they can send me something, and like I mentioned, I'm very particular, so I'd like to do my research. I like to look at reviews online, and if it is a brand that I am working with again, such as this brand here, then it's because I truly believe in the quality and the craftsmanship. So here is the new bag. I already unboxed it, but it always comes really nicely wrapped, but just to save time and effort, but it says "From Paris with love, merci." It is designed in France. It is a French brand, but it is all crafted in Italy. So the leather is Italian, and like I said, or I think some of the smaller pieces, like their small SLGs they also have, are made in Portugal. But let's open this one up. So this style is new and she is gorgeous. This is called the Sully bag, as you can kind of see there. So I got mine in the black box leather. They also have a pebble leather as well, but I really love the look of just the smooth calf skin. Now there is some graining to it, as you can kind of see there, which does add to the resilience. I did look online and it said that this was, I think it's water resistant leather, so I'm not sure if it's treated in some way, but I do appreciate that because I live in Vancouver and it rains constantly. And this is the gold edition, so this one has the gold hardware there. It's, I don't know if it's coming up true to color. You can kind of see the perfume bottle here, super shiny, whereas this one is not, and I like that. I'm generally a silver hardware girl when it comes to my handbags. It's just my own preference, but I do like this kind of antique leather with it. I actually prefer the gold. I think the silver hardware, while they do, like I mentioned, make some with silver, I prefer the gold, especially with this style and this leather. So up close, you can just see this opening here is just a magnetic opening. It's not like one of those little push opening ones, which I do appreciate. There's a little bit of hardware on either side there, and the back just says Ateliers August or Auguste. And then the strap is adjustable. Yes, love that. I still don't get why some handbag brands don't make the strap adjustable. There are 2 extra notches on the part of the strap there, as well as 2 more notches down below, so you can adjust it substantially, I would say. So if you are more petite, or if you're taller, or even in the winter when I'm wearing a bulkier sweater or a jacket, I just need a little bit of extra length. So I do appreciate that. Now I will say that this kind of closure for the handbags, this kind of snap, I almost want to say it's like a push pin, is a little bit hard to undo. Not specific to this brand, with any brand. So usually, because the leather's also okay, so it's easy to sort of undo it, but I bet it will be harder to push it closed. So you can see there, and then that's how you adjust these little notches, and then putting it back in, especially when the leather is brand new. I'm not generally the biggest fan. There we go. Opening her up, as you can see there, it is sort of one large compartment. There is a slip pocket on the back that is fairly sizable as well. There's also a slip pocket here on the front, and then there is also an additional little very slim and very narrow pocket here, a little gusset. So I mean, I don't really know what you could put into this small little compartment here. Maybe like a parking note or some receipts, or I don't know, like a couple slips of paper, some cash maybe if you wanted to, if you weren't taking a wallet. But I mean, it's pretty slim, and the inside is micro suede. It says designed in Paris, made in Italy, in gold there, if you can kind of see it. But that is basically it. Like, very minimal, like I mentioned, and not a lot of sort of bells and whistles, not a lot of hardware, but I love the silhouette. I feel like it's a very classic shape. The leather is beautiful. I wish you could see the leather up close, but it is stunning. It's smooth, but it has a little bit of texture like I mentioned before. This is the regular size of the Sully bag, but I do know that it also comes in a mini. I would say that this one in itself isn't really large. You know me, I either like a little mini bag or I'm wearing a giant tote. There's sort of no in between, but I would almost classify this as being a mini bag. I don't have my wallet and things with me. Actually, I can probably just grab a couple of these spare things to show you sort of what fits inside right now. What else do I got here? Perfume. Randomly reaching around here. I just grabbed 3 SLGs, so just for reference, you can kind of see what might fit in. So if I open this up here, I wish I had grabbed some things ahead of time, but I mean, these fit in really easily. So much room, as you can kind of see there. So even if I were to grab, what else do I have around here? Little body lotion, for example. I could slip that right in on top. I could slip in some perfume, for example. My phone as well, just would slide right in. So there is a pretty substantial amount of room for this being what I would consider a small handbag, but I think it's a great size for carrying all of your essentials. So that's just for reference, sort of some random things that I grabbed that could fit in, but I really do like this handbag. The price point of this is $549 American, which for the price of this, being an all leather handbag made from premium leather, crafted in Italy, and just a stunning silhouette, I think that that is more of an affordable price point compared to a lot of other luxury brands. Now, I wouldn't say that this is luxury. I would say that this is probably more of a contemporary brand, but I think just it's beautiful. Like, what more can I say? It honestly is a very beautiful handbag. It does come in a range of different colors. Like I mentioned, they also have some silver. They have, this is the gold edition. They also come out with a lot of limited colors for the season. So watch for sales as well on those sort of limited edition colors, like the brighter colors for the summer or the spring, because I often do see them go on sale. But I think this is very cute and I really do like it. Now, very quickly, I did want to speak to you about my mini Monceau. So the Monceau, I think, is probably the most popular bag from Atelier's August. I know a lot of people have it because it is very reminiscent of the Celine box bag, which we know now has been discontinued. So this is the mini Monceau, and as you can see, I still have the plastic on the hardware there, and that is because I have not used this handbag. And you might be asking why. So I love the shape of this. I love how much it holds. I love the leather. I love the quality. It is the color. So I bought this because I thought I can use this during the holiday season, you know, to kind of add a little punch of color to my wardrobe. Some color clothes you can kind of see up there, like pink and green and red. I have 0 purple in my wardrobe at all. Like, I scanned everything, 0. And it's because I don't think this color suits me. I know that there's that whole color theory where you can get matched with different colors that suit your skin and your profile, but purple I don't think is for me, unfortunately. So I tried. I tried to make this work and it just did not work with me. So I think it's just the color and it doesn't go with my particular skin tone. You can see up close, it is this beautiful snakeskin embossed leather in this eggplant color with the antique hardware. It is stunning. She is gorgeous and I wish it worked for me, but it doesn't. So instead of letting this stunning handbag just sit in my closet going unused, I want to give it to one of you. So hopefully you can enjoy her and take her out and use her in all of her beauty. So I will put all the information down below to enter into the giveaway. It's open to everywhere, internationally, worldwide. In the comment down below, please just leave your Instagram handle. Please don't put the little at the front because it automatically gets filtered out by YouTube. So just put your name. So example for mine, I just put Al Valaket, and then just put what emoji? Let's put a sun. Let's put a sun emoji. So that way I know that you want to be entered into the giveaway, but I would love for one of you to get this beautiful handbag because it's stunning and I don't want it to go to waste. So there we go. I want to quickly thank Atelier's August for sending me these beautiful handbags. This is not sponsored in any way. They did send me the handbag, but again, my own personal views and opinions, but definitely go and check them out. Let me know what style you like more. Let me know what you think about the new Sully bag. I think I'm gonna go use her today because I have to go run errands, and I mean, we match, right? We match. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.